had to jump on because I got the cutest delivery and you absolutely have to see these. So I am showing you the cutest rings we have ever had. So we just got in our collection the cutest delivery of rings you have ever seen. Scoops and Sundae. So we have the Scoops ring and we have the Sundae ring, and they come in these adorable boxes. It's like a velvet, and it's a little ice cream cone presentation. I mean, this is so adorable. I can't even take it. So let's look at the two different rings, because even the pricing on these is spectacular. So let's look at the first one, which is the Scoops ring. So the Scoops ring is this beautiful silver with pink and then all of those pavé crystals. So look at the detail on here. And if this is not the cutest delivery that you have ever seen in your life. So let's look at it really nice and up close. You have a light pink stone, and then look how many pavé crystals. You see it from the front, you see it from the sides, and you see it from the back. So the sparkle is absolutely fantastic. But how cute is this? I mean, there is just sparkle absolutely everywhere. And would you believe that this ring is only $52? $52. I mean, what an incredible special, especially with the special limited edition box. I mean, if this is not just the absolute cutest delivery you've ever seen, I don't know what is.